Hey, what's up YouTube? I hope you guys are doing good. I hope everyone is keeping well. Alright, so it's been a while since I've dropped a YouTube video. Just thought I might give you guys some insight and my thoughts as usual on what I'm looking at on Nasdaq. But I noticed something on this currency.com, right? The broker platform. This right here, right? I noticed that we have some sort of a gap. Let's just head down to the 4 hour. I'll show you what I mean. This right here. So let me know in the comments what broker feed you guys use. Alright, because I did look at the others. So we have this one right here. We can see that there's nothing there. Alright, and this one right here, we can also see that there's nothing. So I don't think I'm going to use this one anymore, the currency.com. Yeah, just let me know in the comments which broker feed you guys use for Nasdaq. It will be real interesting to see. But yeah, let me just see which one I can use for this video. I think I'm just going to use this one for now. Well, let's see this one. But yeah, never mind. Let's just continue with the video. Yeah, so let's start off on the daily time frame. So yeah, looking at Nasdaq on the daily time frame, we can see that price has been in a downtrend. Alright, the bears have been taking over for the longest time, and you can see that we finally got a reversal. Alright, price took out this low right here, right, and we had that smart money reversal that we were looking for. Alright, this is on the daily time frame, and what supports that shift in momentum. Alright, you can see that price took out a high right here, right, this magnum right there, and also price took out another high right there. Okay, so what we are anticipating is, obviously after a high has been taken out, we are expecting the market to decline, alright, into a discount and obviously to trade higher. But it's important to keep in mind that we shouldn't try to predict price. Alright, price isn't always going to do what we want it to do. Alright, because once you do that, you are eliminating the what ifs. Alright, and it's important to go into the market with an open mind and be aware that the market can and will do anything. Alright, so don't always try to be right. Alright, just do what you can do. Alright, your skill and your ability, alright, will take you far. So it's important not to predict price, alright, because you're telling yourself that you are right and that you want to be right, and then if the opposite happens, your analysis was right, everything was on point, but the market didn't do what you wanted it to do, you're gonna do yourself a disservice and you're just gonna get yourself down. Okay, because you wanted price to do a specific thing before you enter the trade, instead of looking at what's right in front of you. Okay, but yeah, nevertheless, looking at it on the 4 hour, we can see that we had, from this point, we had a nice trend, alright, that you could have taken advantage of last week, Thursday or Friday. Yeah, this decline right here on Friday, we can see that price took out the high. Okay, price broke a high, which indicates to us that we are shifting in market structure. Alright, so then right after that break, you can anticipate a decline. Alright, and we can see we did get that, and in that we can see that price closed in a gap right there that we had. All right, price filled that in lovely, and price continued. So we can anticipate a move higher. Okay, how high or how far though? Let me just see on the left side of the chart. All right, we can anticipate price to take out this high. Okay, right there, to go charge into the buy side liquidity that we have. Okay, we might get some sort of resistance around this area. Okay, so if you do get opportunity for shorts, you can use this level right here as an objective. All right, in other words, to take profits if you do get shorts in this region right here. If you head down to the 1 hour, you can see, you'll see this price action much clearly. So let's just head down to the 1 hour here. So on the 1 hour, we can see that price took out this high. All right, right here. Let me just put this thing above the line. Top, yeah, right there. Okay, so you can see that price took out a high. Okay, and price also took out sell side liquidity, which is right beneath this low right here. Right, sell side liquidity right there. Let me just do this. Yeah, price took out sell side liquidity, and if you want to refine this area, you can see that price closed in a gap right there. That candle right there. Okay, you can see that price closed that in. All right, so that was a lovely entry. And if you missed this trade, you can see that we have a wick right here. I'm sure if you go down to the 15-minute or lower time frame, price would have given you an entry. Let's just see what we got from there. All right, so yeah, 5-minute. See if we can refine this. Yeah, so once price hit that on the 1 hour, all right, you can then expect the same thing that you saw on the 1 hour, meaning that we did get a high, all right, that was violated, a break of structure. All right, this is on the 5-minute, just keep that in mind. A break in market structure. All right, and then from this low to that high, all right, price went into a discount. Price closed in a gap that we have right here. All right, so that could have been your entry. All right, if you did miss the first one, that was another entry point, all right, that you could have had. And this decline also, price gave you the same thing, right? Price took out a high right here, and then price came into this order block right here, and then price have given you a entry point. All right, you'll see this much clearly on the 15-minute. All right, let's just head down to the 15-minute. Okay, so yeah, there. So if you did miss this on the 5-minute, all right, and you're not that, or your eyes are not that well trained on the 5-minute, all right, you can use the 15-minute, all right. You just need to scale down, all right, to see the break in market structures. And you can see that price gave you an entry that you could have used, all right. And then obviously your take profit would be either above this high right here, this high, or for a more long-term move, you can target this high, okay? Because I don't see any form of resistance that might hold price, all right? So even if you head down to the 1 hour, I don't see any form of resistance that we might get in this price region. Okay, so I am anticipating price to trade higher. Okay, it is possible that we might get a decline first, alright, when market opens. Not sure how far though, we have to wait and see, but overall I am expecting price to trade higher. Okay, so that is my view on Nasdaq. Let me head down to the 4-hour before I end this video. It's not gonna be a long video. So yeah, I did say I am waiting for price up here, okay, before I make my next move. But if we do get a decline, I will expect long opportunities. Alright, I'll wait for evidence on lower time frames for an entry. Okay, but for now I'm anticipating price also to take out this high. Alright, so that is just my view on Nasdaq. And on the daily time frame, let me just head down to the daily. So if we do get a decline, alright, we do have this right here, alright, that price might have a halt on. Alright, we might get a reaction of price, right, either there or there. But how you can refine it is just waiting for price to get into a discount. Alright, so this would be the highest probability, alright, once price gets there. But price doesn't have to get there, so if price reaches here, okay, and price gives us a confirmation on lower time frames, then certainly we can take that. Okay, but like I said, rather react on price than predict it. Alright, because by predicting it, you're telling yourself that you wanna be right. Alright, so yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was insightful, and I'll keep you guys updated on the Telegram channel. Be sure to join that. Alright, so I hope you guys have a blessed week. Alright, keep safe, trade safe, and until the next video, enjoy the